Stop following influencer workouts. Stop scrolling through TikTok or social media and, oh, look at this bicep workout, I'm going to do that one. Or, oh, look, this person has a huge back, I'm going to follow that routine. Nonsense. Stupid. You're not going to get that anywhere like that. You need to follow a program that has everything laid out for you.